A quiet morning over the Gulf of Oman, blue waters, commercial ships moving as usual, and all of a sudden Iran makes its move. Fast, precise, and shockingly confident. Hello and welcome to TimesXP. I am Triti, and this isn't just another maritime incident that we are talking about. This is a message, bold, calculated, and delivered right under the nose of United States. Well, the ship at the center of all of this chaos, that was a huge Marshall Island flagged oil tanker that is called Talara. It was cruising very calmly after crossing the tensed water of Strait of Hormuz, carrying huge surplus gas oil sailing from the UAE to Singapore. Easy, everything looked really normal until it wasn't. 3 IRGC boats, they appeared out of nowhere. Literally, out of the shimmering horizon, 3 small IRGC military boats cut through the waters like knives. No warning, no chaos, no shot fired. Well, it was just a clean surgical interception. Well, in the meantime, Revolutionary Guard, they didn't waste any time. They surrounded the tanker, tight, coordinated, almost like a scene from a high-budget naval thriller. That's right, and then, with absolute authority, they ordered the ship to turn, to follow them straight into Iranian waters. In fact, after that, a US Navy Triton drone, it was watching. Flying high above the drama was the US Navy MQ-4C Triton, one of Washington's most advanced surveillance drones. It watched literally everything, recorded everything, but could not do anything. A superpower reduced to just an observer. Imagine what a sight it could be. Basically, no confrontation, no rescue attempt, just a drone circling silently while Iran executed a flawless maritime grab. And interestingly, there was no shots fired, no basic damage, no injury, just precision. But you know what? Here's the twist. Iran didn't fire a single bullet. Nobody got hurt, not even a scratch on the tanker. It wasn't an attack, it was a statement, a show of absolute control over the world's most important oil choke point, the Strait of Hormuz. But aren't you wondering why this operation? It has the world talking about it. Well, the answer is very simple. One simple question it raises is, how did Iran pull this off so cleanly? Imagine, while the US drone is literally watching everything, Iran just swept away. Iran wanted the world to see this, to understand its message. We control these waters, we decide what passes, and we can act even when you are watching. Also, this is not the end. This operation is now sparking new debates about who really controls the Gulf's shipping lane, how far Iran is willing to go, and what the US might or might not do next. Ladies and gentlemen, the Strait of Hormuz just got hotter and the world is paying attention.